If you are installing Windows 11 on your laptop or PC and you get stuck on this screen saying, this PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirements and the PC must support TPM 2.0, then it usually means TPM is disabled in your BIOS. TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module, which provides hardware-level security, and Microsoft made TPM 2.0 a mandatory requirement to install and run Windows 11. So in today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to enable TPM in BIOS and fix this issue. So let's get started. Alright, whether you have a laptop or desktop PC, enabling TPM is very easy. First, turn on the system and press the BIOS key to enter BIOS settings. Once you are inside the BIOS, go to the Security tab and look for options like TPM, Embedded Security, or TPM 2.0. Some motherboard manufacturers may have a slightly different BIOS interface, but the setting is usually under Security or Advanced Settings. After you find the TPM option, simply enable it. In my case, the TPM state box is unchecked, which means TPM is currently disabled. So I'll tick the box to enable TPM. After enabling TPM, go back to the main BIOS menu and save the BIOS changes. The system will now reboot automatically. Now when the Windows setup loads again, this time the TPM error screen will not appear because TPM is enabled successfully. So that's how you can fix the TPM 2.0 requirement issue during Windows 11 installation. If this video helped you fix the TPM issue, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.